Alright, so we're going to be doing a replacement on this fan. To remove the fan, you're going to twist towards you. Sometimes you have to kind of wiggle the other way and then back towards you. Now, to remove the motor, hold on to the fan, put your hand under, and pull until it comes out. There you go. And to insert the new fan, it's easier instead of how I'm doing it. I can do it either way, but to get your fan blade on before you actually insert the fan back into the housing, hold it up, insert it in before you attach the fan to the assembly. It makes it a lot easier than having to use your pretty much 2 fingers to pull the fan blade onto the shaft. It can be done either way, but makes it a lot easier for you. All right, so we're pretty much getting it on right now. Here you go. Now we're going to be plugging it in, and you will see the fan turning. Towards the end, you'll see where I use a feather to show the air circulation and to show the movement that the fan is now working. Without the fan, you're not going to be having any cold in the fresh food compartment. We're going to be putting back the cover, 2 1/4-inch screws, and that's it. Just be mindful, make sure you get them in. Now, I'm showing the flow. You can see the fan is working and the fresh food is now getting some movement. Going to be going into the freezer now. And you can see the fan is blowing. Now, once we get to the bottom, I want to show you something that you do not want to overpack your freezer. That's where the fan pulls warm air from your food. So do not cover or block that opening. All right, that pretty much covers this. Thanks for watching.